Good morning and good evening, everyone. I'm going to cook string bean stir fry with sesame seeds. It's very delicious, and look, it's very crispy and looks very fresh. As you can see, guys, you can eat that with snack. So look at this texture. It's super yummy. You have to try it. You can eat the snacks or eat with a fried fish or meat. So first thing to do, you have to boil the water and add Himalayan salt or regular salt or iodized salt. It's up to you, whatever you're available. And then you have to boil the water. After boiling the water, look, as I mix that salt, and then I add a little bit like 1 tablespoon of oil, any kind of oil if you have available. And then after when the water is boiling, then you have to add the string beans. We call in the Philippines Baguio beans or string beans or Chinese string beans. So I don't know what is the they call in other country, or your other country, but we call in the Philippines is string beans. We grow this kind of string beans in Philippines, and they call the place is a Baguio City or whatever the other place. So guys, you have to I boil this like 3 minutes. As you can see, I cover it, and after 3 minutes I sit aside and drain the water out, and then sit aside to transfer the clean basin or clean plate. So guys, it's very I love this string beans, and I bought this in Walmart. It's look like very fresh and juicy. So now as you can see, you see the bowl inside is water. That is a cold water with the ice, but the ice is melted already. So now I dump the string beans inside the cold water inside the basin, so as you can see. And then after that I mix it, and then I drain the water, and then I add more cold water to make stay fresh and crispy the string beans. That is the purpose of that. So after that, guys, I mix it well. So you know the string bean is still hot, and when I put there the water, I thought is still hot also. So now I drain the water and add more cold water. So after that, I put 2 tablespoons of olive oil or any kind of vegetable oil. Add for the hot frying pan, and then you have to stir fry the one half onion chopped white. Any kind of onions, you have a red onions, if you have white onions. Guys, stir fry the onion, and then 1 half of onions, and also the garlic. 4 cloves of garlic chopped fresh. So let the garlic and onion stir it well, and then when the garlic and onion turn light brown, then you have to add the string beans, which the string beans I boiled already the oil. So as you can see, guys, so now the string bean is now it's ready to put. As you can see, I put this in the string bean. I put the cold water, guys. We have ice in it. So you have to stir it, and then you have to add have this beef stock or beef powder, any kind. Very good. And you have to stir it. And also 1 tablespoon, 1/2 the beef powder, and also this 1 tablespoon of sugar. And also the black pepper. Black pepper, guys. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And you have to stir it. So as you can see, I boiled this like 3 minutes. The string beans. Then after that, I soak with the cold water with ice for like 1 minute and a half. So as you can see, guys, here. And now, let's go to simmer it. Now you have to stir it again. Make sure the string beans is not gonna burn. So it's very easy. We call in the Philippines it's bagu beans, and I don't know if Chinese string beans. I guess because but I have no idea what to call that. Look, it's crispy, guys, because of it. It's really good. So now, look like crispy. I put the sesame seeds. You can see. And then also the sesame oil, a little bit sesame oil, like 1 tablespoon. So that's it, guys. So now, you have to mix it. And simmer it, guys, like 1 minute. And then, it's done. Now we're gonna mix it again. So it's really good, guys. Guys, to those, thank you so much for watching and coming my live, stream live. And also, please subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to leave comment. Thank you and God bless. I love you all. And please leave comment. So now the string beans is ready to serve. So I add more sesame seeds, guys. There you go. So now it's ready. So it's super yummy, guys. Crispy and yummy. So guys, we need to look at that. Yeah. So this kind of string bean is very fresh, as you can see, and super yummy. Then after this, I'm gonna give to this my hubby like 3 minutes, and then after boiled, I set aside and I soak with the cold water. So what I say, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and God bless. And guys, it's very yummy. One more. We have to put the sesame seeds. That is easy. It's very delicious recipe, guys. Now, as you can see, my string bean is done. Subscribe, guys, like and share. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to like, left, comment, and subscribe. God bless. Bye.